Is abortion morally acceptable? In this controversial video, I will be engaging a professor and his young philosopher students to answer this question. Is it morally acceptable to have an abortion? Hopefully, they will be able to answer this critical question from different philosophical perspectives. Perspective 1, that abortion is morally permissible. Perspective 2, that abortion is not morally permissible. Trigger warning. This is a trigger warning that there will be no trigger warnings for this critical thinkers. Viewer discretion is not advised. Here at the University of Uranus, I have a pop quiz for my young philosophers. The test, they will be able to share arguments both for why abortion is morally permissible and arguments for why abortion is not morally permissible. Students, who can tell me one argument for why abortion is morally permissible? Yes, Bertha.
I have an argument for why abortion is morally permissible. 1, if it is the case that a woman was raped and impregnated, then it is morally permissible to have an abortion. 2, it is the case that a woman is raped and impregnated. 3, therefore it is morally permissible to have an abortion.
Great job, Bertha. Who else can give me an argument for why abortion is morally permissible? Aquarius.
Thompson would say that the fetus's life does not trump the pregnant woman's jurisdiction over her own body. For example, 1, if the fetus does not have the right to trump jurisdiction over the woman's body, then it is morally wrong to have an abortion. 2, the fetus does not have a right to trump jurisdiction over the woman's body. 3, therefore it is morally wrong, I repeat, morally wrong to have an abortion.
I deem that valid. Who can give me an argument for why abortion is not morally permissible?
I've got one.
That's Professor to you?
Yes, sir. Here's my argument. 1, if it is the case that a baby has a heartbeat 18 to 21 days after fertilization, then it is morally wrong to have an abortion. 2, it is the case that a baby has a heartbeat 18 to 21 days after fertilization. 3, therefore it is morally wrong to have an abortion.
Okay, let me hear a second argument for why abortion is not morally permissible. Aquarius?
Well, Marquis believes that it is morally wrong to have an abortion if the fetus had a valuable future. In other words, if that baby has flow baby, for example. 1, if a fetus has a valuable future, then it is morally wrong to have an abortion. 2, fetuses have a valuable future. 3, therefore it is morally wrong to have an abortion.
Good one. One more.
I got this. McBrayer shares the following example. If a fetus is sentient after 22 weeks, it can feel pain. Thus it is morally wrong to have an abortion. Fetuses are sentient after 22 weeks and can feel pain. Therefore, it is morally wrong to have an abortion after 22 weeks.
All right, for extra credit, who can tell me both undercutting and rebutting defeaters for pro-choice arguments?
I'm failing. I need the points, Professor. For the statement, abortion is morally acceptable, an undercutting defeater would be abortion is morally wrong. And a rebutting defeater would be abortion is morally wrong because it deprives being of a valuable future.
I doubt that'll help you pass the class. Let me hear an undercutting and rebutting defeater for pro-life argument.
Okay, I can push my 4.0 to a 4.5. For the statement abortion is not morally acceptable, an undercutting defeater would be pro-lifers are pro-rape. A rebutting defeater would be pro-lifers are pro-rape when they don't support abortion for women who become pregnant without consent as a result of rape.
I like it. So there you have it. We've looked at many aspects of 2 different philosophical perspectives about whether abortion is morally permissible. The remaining question?